Line News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 55, Nasdaq is up 10, S&Ps are up 4.5. Gold contract trading down $2.70 at $1,104 an ounce. You had silver down 5 cents at $14.30 an ounce. Platinum is up 4 at $9.58 an ounce. You have copper up a penny and a half, trading at $2.42. Light sweet crude up 74 cents. $45.15 a barrel. Bonds. You have the 10-year down 8 ticks. 127.09, 30-year off 1 full point and 4 ticks, 153.27. Bond market continued Monday, last Friday, up with volume. It's backing down now with lighter volume. King Dollar's up 48 ticks, 95.46. That also can't handle higher price. It was up slightly yesterday, gave it up on price. King Dollar looks like it wants to go down and trade into the lows of the 24th of August, which is about 3 points lower. Euro is up and down 9 ticks right now, trading at 113, and the yen is at 119.86. We go over and we take a look at the S&Ps, folks. What you have is this: the SPYs, and this continues on the weekly basis. The reason being is that yesterday you also had an inside day, meaning not much movement. I don't expect we're going to see much movement until the Fed announcement out here. You do have some volatility that is inside the marketplace intraday, but not much point movement. Yesterday, the S&Ps, the SPY traded from 95. Yesterday we traded from. If we take a look at the SPY, he traded from 95 to 97, so a 2-point spread. Nothing big. Bottom line is that on the weekly basis, they failed last week on price, on volume. What I expect you're going to see out here today is that you're going to see slightly lower prices. If you go over and we take a look at Asia, the Asian markets, folks, continued down last night. You had China down from 3.5 to 4.9%. Big numbers. The Shanghai right now is at a price point of 3,005. Came down another 3.5% last night. It's going after its lows. Those lows that were generated out there right now are only 150 down. I suspect it's going to go right after that low, and we'll see whether it's going to blow that low away. If you go take a look at the FTSE and London, FTSE also got the lower price today. Thus far, it has rejected that lower price. The DAX in Germany, sideways move. What does that set up in the U.S.? If we go to the bond markets for a second, the bond market has continued to scream that it wants higher price. Today, you're backing down. The 10-year is at 127.10, and you're backing down with lighter volume. So bonds continue to build cause for higher price. We go to the gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, you have no sellers, but yet you have no buyers. Today, the contract itself is contracting on dramatically lighter volume. We're talking about 49,000 contracts thus far. You have hit a low of 1101. We're 1105.40. You're coming into the low that was established out here on the 9th. That was 1100.10. That had 178,000 contracts, versus this 49,000. So we'll end up doing about 75,000 out here. So what you can expect coming right up to this Fed meeting is sideways market, higher volatility, intraday. This baby it looks that it's setting up that the S&Ps do want to go lower, bonds want to go higher, King Dollar wants to go lower, and the real cooker out here will be what does the metal market want to do, because thus far, silver and gold, there's no buyers in there. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.